Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a unboxing on the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. I did pick up the natural titanium in 256 gigabytes. I know this channel is about makeup, but I want to do this unboxing on this iPhone because I do film my shop my stash videos, declutters, and like when I go through my collection, it's mostly on my iPhone. And iPhones have come a long way, or phones have come a long way, that I feel like a lot of the time you don't really need to buy a camera if you want to start a channel or anything. Like the iPhone has really great quality and really great perks that if you invest on a good phone, you definitely don't need to invest in a really good camera. So I wanted to unbox this phone with you guys. So if you guys are interested to see how this phone looks and kind of comparisons on the previous one, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. So again, I do have the new iPhone 15 Pro Max in the 256 gigabytes natural titanium. I need the extra space, and recently, before I got this phone, my phone was actually full. I had like 14 gigabytes of free space, and my husband's all like, something is going on. So he went into the storage. I didn't know you can do this, but you go into the storage on the iPhone under generals, and it tells you every category that you have like all these memories in, like the gigabytes in, like pictures and messages. I didn't even know messages actually held a lot of memory. I don't ever delete messages, so if anybody wants to come for me, I have receipts, but as of recently, I actually deleted all my messages over a year old, so I actually won't have receipts. I'm just being funny, but I never delete my messages. So if somebody sends me a picture or has sent me a picture, I had it in our conversation. I just don't delete messages. So I went through my phone and deleted everything that was over a year old, and it cleared up so much space on my phone. I still have a lot of space on my old one. I do have the iPhone 14 Pro Max in the purple. It's so pretty as well. But now I have like half the storage again. So I thought I had to go through like my pictures and my videos when my daughter was smaller to delete and make space. Like, wow, I think I need more than 256 gigabytes. But just know that you might not need as much space as you think. Go through your memory storage, and that way you can condense your files a little bit. So anyways, got off topic, but here's a new phone. I am going to be taking this off, these nails, but it has two of these stickers here and they have been ripped off now. So let's see. This is so pretty. Again, this is the natural titanium shade. It's really, really nice. I just ruined that, didn't I? Okay, so this is beautiful. Let's compare with the old phone. This one actually does feel a little nicer. The sides feel like more rounded, as you can see there. This one's more square, and this one's more round. You can feel, and it feels smoother. Like this material feels smoother. This is what the back looks like. You do have 4 shades to pick from. You can get black, blue, or white titanium besides the natural titanium. I think this is really nice. I did have to get a cover for my phone because I drop my phone all the time. I did pick up the iPhone 15 Pro Max silicone case in the shade Orange Sorbet. So mine will be going on a case soon once I activate it. But I cannot be like this without a case because Mama will break this case. We did pre-order this phone. We got a notification that it was being shipped out probably like 2 days ago. We got it pretty quickly. So that is nice. And yeah. Oh, also another thing that I noticed off the bat is that it has a button, it looks like, for silencing your phone. You still can do add volume, minus volume, and then the power button is still on this side. So here is this side in comparison from the previous 14 Pro Max, and then here's this one if you wanted to see. But I love this color, but had to upgrade my phone there. So this is what this looks like. I did notice that it now comes with a USB-C charging port. It doesn't come with a charging block, so you definitely have to keep your old block that you've been using to charge your previous phone. So I do have the 14, so I do have the block that goes with this. But if you don't have the 14, I'm not sure if you're going to need to buy the block or not, because I don't remember when they stopped including the charging blocks in with the phone. But that's all it comes with. I was looking at a previous video. I had done an unboxing on the iPhone 11 when I got the midnight green, and it came with like headphones, and oh, since the 11 was when it changed to the bigger charging blocks. So I guess what, it's been 4 years or so now. And it came with headphones as well, but this one doesn't come with it anymore. But nowadays we all buy our own headphones, so or have our own headphones, so it doesn't really bother me that it didn't come with headphones because I have my own already. But we are gonna go ahead and take off the front, so this is gonna be nice and satisfying, and we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Every year that I get the new phone, I love the quality of pictures and the video. Again, like I mentioned in my intro, like a lot of the time you don't need to invest in an actual good camera. I am filming on my Canon 80D right now, and I have a Sigma lens, but these the quality on these iPhones have been so nice that I feel like honestly you don't really need to invest in a camera just yet. I would definitely just go with your iPhone, especially if you have the newer versions, just because they have really good quality. And they did mention that on optical zoom, it's 5 times, so you can be out 5 times, because I know the 14 has the 3x and the iPhone 15 has up to 5x, so that's nice. I don't ever really do like zoom out pictures. I usually zoom in, but I'm excited for the quality of this new phone. I am going to be filming a Shop My Stash video after this video, so definitely stay tuned. And the next Shop My Stash video you see will be on my new iPhone, so you guys will definitely have to let me know what you guys think of the quality, if you guys can tell a difference from the 14, because the 14 was really, really good. So I can only imagine how much more clear and crisp on the new 15 it will be. So this is all I have for you guys. I'm not super like techie or like iPhone geek or anything like that. I just wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you guys picked up the new iPhone, or did you just go with the Pro, because this is the Pro Max, so this is a bigger phone. I like it. I like seeing my YouTube videos when I watch it on my phone, like the big screen. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!